Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Python with AWS, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Python website at python.org. On the home page, click on the Downloads tab. The website will automatically suggest the best version for your operating system. Click on the download link for the latest version of Python. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file on your computer. Double-click the installer to begin the installation process. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path near the bottom of the window. Click on the Install Now option to proceed with a standard installation. The installer will begin copying files to your computer. Once the installation is complete, click on the Close button to exit the installer. To verify the installation, open the command prompt on your computer. Type Python version and press Enter. You should see the installed version of Python displayed on the screen. Next, open your web browser again and navigate to the AWS Management Console at aws.amazon.com. Sign in to your AWS account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, go to the Services tab and select EC2 under the Compute section. Click on the Launch Instance button to create a new EC2 instance. Choose an Amazon Machine Image, or AMI, based on your requirements. Select an instance type that fits your needs and click Next, Configure Instance Details. Configure your instance details and click Next. Click on Review and Launch and then click the Launch button. You will be prompted to create or select an existing key pair. Create a new key pair or select one you already have, then click Launch Instances. Once your instance is running, click on View Instances. Select your instance and note the public IPv4 address. Open your terminal or command prompt on your local machine. Use the SSH command to connect to your EC2 instance. The command should look like this: sshi/path/to/your-key.pem-ec2 user at your public IP. Replace the placeholders with your actual key file path and public IP address. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.